Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to turn off FaceTime on this device. So here you can see the FaceTime icon you can see here. So let me show you how to turn off this option in this device. Simply go to settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option screen time. Tap on this one. Now here you can see the option content and privacy restrictions. Tap on this one. So here you can see the option allowed apps and features. Tap on this one. Now turn off this option FaceTime. Now directly go to your home screen. Just wait for a few seconds. You can see now the FaceTime application is disabled in this device. If you want to enable, again go to settings. Same like this way. Turn on this one. Now go to home screen. Just wait for a few seconds. Yeah, now you can see now the FaceTime is enabled. So simply in this way you can turn off or disable the FaceTime in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.